Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And in today's topic of strategic alliance, myself Muhammad Khairi bin Nasir and my teammate Luman Hakim, Sarah Putri and Hafiz Yasha and Shahzad Adilah are going to present about the strategic alliance of Grab and Maybank. So a little bit of introduction about the strategic alliance of Grab and Maybank. So Maybank and Grab announced their strategic alliance on 2018. Their alliance is to reinforce the use of Grab Pay and Maybank QR Pay. Both company customers can enjoy their cashless service, and their goals of this alliance and is to move towards a cashless economy. So if we remember in the year 2018, Grab a lot of e-wallets are surfacing through the country, and this alliance are actually one of the main reason why our country is going toward the cashless economy, and also the foundation of GrabPay e-wallet and also Maybank QR Pay. Next. So the result of this alliance is that Grab and Maybank succeed on getting on mengeluarkan produk mereka sendiri, such as Grab Reward and then Grab Credit Card, and also people who the customers of both of this company can enjoy a lot of benefits such as Grab Reward and also from Grab Reward and also from Maybank QR Pay. Next, Shazza.
Okay, reasons for forming. Sekejap. Okay, reasons for forming strategic alliance. A strategic partnership has been formed in order to facilitate the acceptance and usage of Grab's new cashless payment method, the GrabPay mobile wallet. So for my bank, to provide to prov- the collaboration with Grab is part of Maybank's ongoing efforts to provide customers with even more digital convenience that will not only enrich their online experience but also enhance their lifestyle. Maksudnya, company Maybank ni dia nak customer dia lebih selesa and mudah waktu buat apa-apa transaction. So macam zaman sekarang kan dia more to digital. Jadi sebab tu dia collaborate dengan Grab yang ada unsur guna transaksi secara digital which by online. Okay, so next for Grab, the honor to partner with Maybank, which not only shares the visions of a cashless payment future, but also recognize Grab as ideally posed to help make a reality. With the GrabPay mobile wallet as the leading payment method on the Grab application, it will build an integrated ecosystem of the service, thus making Grab an everyday application to complement consumers' everyday lifestyle. Maksudnya, supaya perkhidmatan Grab ni dia lebih dikenali and dapat digunakan oleh customer dalam rutin harian mereka. So, dari Grab ni bukan sahaja diorang untuk transport service, tapi at the same time, diorang boleh order and bayar untuk makanan, minuman, tak pun untuk transfer duit dekat kawan dan sebagainya. Okay, so next untuk success factor yang akan diterangkan oleh Sarah.
Okay, strategic alliance success factors. First, respect of the fact that both partners have different corporate culture. So, Maybank and Grab may have different cultures, so they have to respect each other to provide a strong advantage in the collaboration. Second, complementary skill and knowledge of partners. Means that firms have to share some of their capabilities or knowledge in complementary ways to develop competitive advantage. So this can make strategic alliance become success. Third, trust between partners involving cooperation not limited only with the stipulation included in the contractual arrangement. A firm needs to have an enough level of confidence in its partners' cooperation behavior, because when the firm trust each other, it will generate confidence between them and it will easy for them to work together. Matt?
Next, moving into the how the alliance add value and increase competitiveness. Firstly, the first dual face credit card in Malaysia. A dual face credit card offers you the benefits of using two different types of cards. Therefore, the alliance between Maybank has officially launched its latest credit card, which is the Maybank Grab Mastercard Platinum. and it is available in black and white option. Secondly, the Maybank Grab Mastercard Platinum is meant for a heavy Grab user. A person who is always using the Grab services may only use this card instead of using money to pay for the service. They only have to tap the card to pay the payment, and it will save a lot of time to do the cashless payment. Thirdly, no annual fee is needed to apply for the card, and it is free of charge. To apply for the card, the user may apply for the card through online or using Grab application without any activation fee will be charged. In addition, Grab rewards. Whenever you use the card, you will get Grab rewards from the transaction. For example, when you spend RM1 in any Grab transaction, you will get 5 Grab rewards points. Moreover, you may also earn 2 Grab rewards points for every RM1 spent on overseas, cross-border, and e-commerce transaction. And lastly, the new card holders will receive welcome gifts. For example, you will get 1000 Grab rewards after the activation of the card. And secondly, if you spend RM300 in 45 days from the card activation, you will get 5 vouchers of RM5 Grab food and Grab ride vouchers. Therefore, the both Grab and Maybank company will get many advantages from the use of Maybank Grab Mastercard Platinum and other cashless service, because the card users will get benefits when they use the card. This step also may attracted many people to use the service of the both company. Next.
Moving on to the importance of the strategic alliance in international business. This section will be quite general. However, I will try to relate the case that we are currently discussing, which is regarding the strategic alliance done by Grab and Maybank. So one of the importance is the foreign company could be able to meet the local regulations or the market preferences. So in this case, we all know that Maybank is well-known financing company in Malaysia. So it will be an advantage for Grab to have the strategic alliance with Maybank, in which the Grab does not have to put too much effort in identifying the local regulations as to meet the market preferences with the help of the local company Maybank. So next is by doing the global strategy alliance, the company could actually overcome competition. So this is referring to a head start in the foreign market. For instance, in this case, the Grab, which is originally from Singapore, has overcome its local competitors such as iCars Club, which is one of the e-hailing company in Singapore, by doing the strategic alliance in a foreign market. And another importance is enhancing competitiveness. So as what has been explained by Sarah just now regarding the reasons for forming the strategic alliance in the case of Grab and Maybank, with the GrabPay mobile wallet as the leading payment method on the Grab app, it will build an interconnected ecosystem of the services, thus making Grab an everyday app to complement consumers' everyday lifestyle. So unlike its competitors, Grab has actually gained the competitive advantage with these digital conveniences done by the strategic alliance with Maybank. So this can be seen with its competitors in its own country, which is Tada Mobility, which has no this kind of features, in which make the company could not be able to or hard for the company to enter the foreign market. So what can be generalized is that by doing the strategic alliance, especially when go globally, a company could actually acquire expertise from different fields, which has made the company gain the competitive advantage. So that's all from our presentation. Thank you.